a beginner and you want to start learning how to invest stocks properly and have the comfort level of knowing when to get out, when to buy, when to sell, and when to get out, contact us at philsgang.com. Join today, free for 10 days.
What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. Over the years, I've successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, the advice, and the software that will take your investing to the next level. I have a team comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. And Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, when to run like hell, even short. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. You don't have to be a seasoned investor to benefit from Phil's Gang and platform. No matter what level investor you are, my strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for the 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Avoid market pitfalls and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
I think you have to barbell it with some...
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
But I do think it's appropriate now to start to dollar cost average into the market if you have some cash on the sidelines and look to greener pastures ahead.
Oh, my God. Never, ever cost average down. That is ridiculous. Anyone that tells you that, you should put them in jail. Cost average down? So you buy something for... So you buy a car for $45,000, and then when it goes down, it depreciates, goes down to $25,000. But you buy another one? Then when it goes down, you buy another one? That's how stupid it is. You never cost average down. That's ridiculous. You get in more trouble. You only add to your position when it's going up, when it makes new highs, when there's no more sellers. My God, when a stock is going down and down and down and you jump in, you don't know where that floor is. It'll keep going down and drag you down. You don't have the sustaining power. You're not a Warren Buffett. That's the worst advice to give to anybody. The worst. Cost average down. And I know, look, there's a lot of good planners out there, but the problem is most of them, okay, all they've experienced is 14 years of zero rates. 14 years. A lot of the young ones, that's all they know. They don't know any better. It's crazy. But they pitch you with this cost averaging down is absolutely nuts in the kind of a market we're in, any kind of market. You only add to your position as your stocks are going up. They have good relative strength. You see the market going down, your stock's holding, and it's not going down. You add to it, of course. Not when it's tanking. But as I said, the problem is especially the young planners, and you got some good ones. You got some good ones. But the problem is they haven't got the experience. And then you got some who aren't so good. They're like the fake business network. They want to make you feel good. You know, the fake business network, how they make you feel good, like you're feeling prosperous. They got to give you hope, optimism, and belief. And one way they do that is not only pitch you with this cost averaging down, but they keep telling you how the market has been going up. Has been going up. They show you numbers, and they'll do a model and show you amounts. Look, if you put in $1,000 a month or $100 a month, look at this. Since 1981, the market's been going up, keeps going up, and then when it comes back, keep cost averaging down. Wait a minute, hold on. Why don't we go back a little bit further than 1981? You know, go back. Have them bring you to 1929 to 1981. Adjusted for inflation, the market was flat. For 52 years, you weren't making money. The only way you would have made money if you were shorting stocks. No, they don't tell you that. They won't let you go back. They won't base the model going back starting in 1929. They always base the models going 1981 forward. Unbelievable, these money managers and these planners that do that and tell you the cost average down. That's insane. But they don't have the experience. Their only experience is rising markets, zero rates, QE. It's all they know. And then they tell you to diversify. They'll diversify you into bankruptcy. They'll say, well, let's put some money in bonds. Certain percentage, we'll give you 25% in bonds. This over here is stocks, and we'll put over here some more money, and let's tuck something over here. Oh, let's buy stocks like Coca-Cola and Clorox, because people always need that stuff, which is a crock of crap. They don't always need it because they can't always afford it. Right now, they can't afford it. So their earnings are going to go down. Coke's going to go down. We've been shorting Coke. It's been going down. Here, I'll put it up on my chart. You know how many people are losing money in Coke with that bunch of nonsense of diversify? We're going to diversify. We're going to diversify in staples. You'll be safe there. Oh, really? We started to short Coke when it started to turn red on our chart, and that was around May 10th, May 10th through May 12th. Okay. And it was about $64 then. Now it's around $59. So it's already dropped. What's that? About I think that's probably about 10, 12%, even more than that. 14%. 14%. Buy Coca-Cola, you're going to be safe. Buy Coke. Everybody's drinking Coke during a recession. And we are in a recession. That's another thing. I can't stand it when they keep telling me, you think we're going to go into a recession? You think we're going to go into a recession? Where have you been, you idiot? What are you? You're a dope. Where have you been? The first quarter, have you been asleep? The first quarter, we have a negative GDP. This second quarter, it's going to be negative. How can it be anything else but negative? But they're not going to tell you that. Not going to tell you that. So I'm not telling you planners and managers are all bad people. They're not. I have a lot of friends that are planners and managers. They don't talk to me. It's a one-way friendship. Oh, my God. We got to start teaching kids in school, in grammar school, in grade school, what money is. You know what the biggest problem in this country? Our planners, our managers, money managers, they don't know what money is. There's a big difference between having money and investing money. Oh, those are two different things. How many people win the lottery and they go broke? How many kids inherit a whole bunch of money and they go broke? Look at our Congress. Look at the money they get from us every year. Every year, look at the pile of money we send them. And our net worth of our country. Our country's in a hole. $20 trillion. And we keep sending more money to those dopes in Congress. Unbelievable. This is just crazy. Anyways, the 75 basis points rocked the bond market. Bond market took off. People selling their bonds left and right, because when the bond market takes off, when yields start going up, people get scared because that shows there's going to be more inflation. Now, they don't go buy gold, which is a big mistake. They will at some point, okay? Mining stocks I'm talking about, not gold, not the bullion. Mining stocks at some point will take off. Not right now. My gang members, we're ready, and I'll give them the signal when to buy. Because what people are doing is jumping into the dollar, all buying a dollar. Well, that's not going to go farther. That's going to blow up the dollar. When that starts dropping, the only reason people are buying the dollar, not buying gold, because they still believe in the stupid, what we call the Greenspan put. For 14 years, every time the market pulls back a quarter of an inch, the Fed jumps in, prints more money, boom, up it goes again. 2 days later, pulls back a half an inch. Oh my God. They pump money and print more money, and they go and they push that market back up again. Are you nuts? So the 75 basis point rocked the bond market. People got petrified. And then remember, the market, it's just unbelievable. So yesterday the market went down, and now today the market's flat again because they don't know what the hell to do. I'll tell you what to do. I'll be right back to tell you. Join my gang. And remember, next Saturday, the 10, go sign up for our...
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
What, are you nuts? Coffee's up 92%. Lumber's up 67%. Heating oil, what, 60%? Gasoline, 55%. I understand why you guys are telling me to raise my rates here at Phil's Gang, but we haven't raised our rates since 2001. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I'm not going to raise my rates. Our membership's been $39.95 since 2001, and for a good reason. So that you have enough room that when you do make money here at Phil's Gang, and you will, because you're going to learn how to short stocks, that there's enough room to send some money to St. Jude. That's why we never raised our price. And that's why we give you good value. So, you want to continue with good value, good information, be on the right side of the market? Join my gang, philsgang.com, where the price has not moved, where we fight inflation. philsgang.com.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, We recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day?
That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026. Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. Over the years, I've successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, the advice, and the software that will take your investing to the next level. I have a team comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. And the Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, when to run like hell, even short. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. You don't have to be a seasoned investor to benefit from Phil's Gang and platform. No matter what level investor you are, my strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for the 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Avoid market pitfalls and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. I was listening to someone on one of these shows, fake business network shows, and they're talking about, this is just a normal crash. It's no big deal. Everything's going to be fine. No, this is not a normal crash. Are you nuts? This is not normal. And this is not done yet. Now, I told my gang last week, and again today, we're going to get a rally, probably a 5 or 6% rally. In this crash that started in January, we've already got 2 rallies. One, I think, was 8%, and I think the other one was 7%. And we'll probably get another one shortly. Those are called relief rallies. Okay, those are relief rallies. And then it's going to go back down again. And you want those because when they rally and they can't make it to the top. So in other words, let's say your stock's at 200. The stock market's 200. And it drops down to 100. And they say, buy in a dip, buy in a dip. And it goes from 100 back up. And it doesn't get beyond 200. It stops at 150. Panic sets in. Then when it comes back down and breaks that 100 where it started from, panic really sets in. So you want these relief rallies. Now, they create these relief rallies on purpose so that J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, the big companies, they can get their pension fund people out. I mean, they take care of all the California pension fund. They take care of the firefighters and nurses, all these pensions. And so they have to get them out. So they have to rig the market to have these relief rallies to rally up so they can get people at a higher price. And this way, and that's why, again, they don't want you selling short. That's why they tell you cost average down, which is stupid. Now, even if you go all cash, I know a lot of planners talk about going all cash, and that's okay too, rather than losing money. But think about it. If you're sitting there and you're going all cash, and you're sitting on the sidelines, think of the opportunity you're missing. Here, I'll give you an example. Instead of holding cash, going to cash, we shorted, the bank stocks. We shorted the ETF. We're up 16% profit. We shorted Wells Fargo, up 21%. Bank of America, up 20%. CUBI Bank, 30%. JP Morgan, we did it twice with them, 20%, and then we added to it another 14% return. We're shorting the airlines. But my point is, why sit in cash if you can sell short? And selling short is easy, and Wall Street so mad at them because they should short stocks for you, but they won't. They won't because it goes against their golden rule. Never short a stock for a client. Never. Because when they sell a stock short, they have to take you out of your position. Take you out of your position. So they lose a commission. They lose a commission to sell you short. That's right. They don't make money selling you short. So for all these years, 100 years, they've been telling people, don't short. It's dangerous. It's this. It's that. Are you nuts? Are you absolutely nuts? Would you buy a car with just forward and no reverse? Are you absolutely crazy? Oh, that frustrates me. That's just the banks. We shorted American Airlines, up 16%. Carnival Cruise Line, up 17%. We shorted Tesla, we're up 35%. NVIDIA, these are all the stocks everybody's in love with. Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA. And so what's happening? While we're making money on the way down in Apple, going down 21%, what do they have you doing? Buying on the dip, buying on the dip. Cost averaging down. Can you imagine you keep cost averaging down? So the stock's going down 21% and they got you putting more money in and it goes down again. Oh, you're going to be just fine. You're going to hear all that crap. You're going to be just fine. Don't worry about it. Everything's going to be just fine.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. You don't pay attention to your portfolio every day.
Right. Unbelievable. I mean, can you imagine? You're sitting there losing money. I asked Kramer about that, got his opinion, what he thought. Thank you, Jim. So, it is nuts. Now, let's think about this. Kids in school. Why are we teaching them, okay, kids, you got to know what date that George Washington crossed some river? Or you got to, I mean, I used to hate history. I could never understand why I had to learn why Napoleon fell off his horse a certain date. What the hell is that about? What do I care? That's when I finally quit high school. I got to go make money. I can't waste my time. Now, I'm not proud of that. Believe me, I'm not proud of that at all. Wish I went to college. I missed a lot of fun. In fact, I just told my grandson, it's his birthday today, Walker, happy birthday. So he's going to go to business school. I said, oh my God, Walker, do me a favor. The day you graduate, forget everything you learned in business school. Because, first of all, you're going to have a bunch of Marxists teaching it to you. Look what happened to AOC. And they don't know, these professors know nothing about money. They don't know how to invest it. They know nothing when it comes. Just because you have a PhD. Here's a great example. Take a look at Biden. Take a look at Powell. Take a look at Powell and Bernanke and who else? The other one, Greenspan. All these people, they know nothing about money. Nothing. And look at the trouble they got us into. Bernanke and Yellen could not even. She knows nothing about money. They got all kinds of degrees, but those degrees, the PhDs and the masters and economics, they don't teach you about money. They don't teach you about investing it. God, I'm so worried about my grandson going to college. Don't worry, I'll stay in touch with him. I'll make sure he doesn't learn. keep that in his brain. All right, we'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. Over the years, I've successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, the advice, and the software that will take your investing to the next level. I have a team comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. And the Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, when to run like hell, even short. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. You don't have to be a seasoned investor to benefit from Phil's Gang and platform. No matter what level investor you are, my strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for the 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Avoid market pitfalls and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. Over the years, I've successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, the advice, and the software that will take your investing to the next level. I have a team comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. And the Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, when to run like hell, even short. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. You don't have to be a seasoned investor to benefit from Phil's Gang and platform. No matter what level investor you are, my strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for the 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Avoid market pitfalls and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
What, are you nuts? Coffee's up 92%, lumber's up 67%, heating oil, 60%, gasoline 55%. I understand why you guys are telling me to raise my rates here at Phil's Gang, but we haven't raised our rates since 2001. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I'm not going to raise my rates. Our membership's been $39.95 since 2001, and for a good reason. So that you have enough room that when you do make money here at Phil's Gang, and you will, because you're going to learn how to short stocks, that there's enough room to send some money to St. Jude. That's why we never raised our price. And that's why we give you good value. So, you want to continue with good value, good information, be on the right side of the market? Join my gang, philsgang.com, where the price has not moved, where we fight inflation. philsgang.com.
You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to help maximize profits. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
The U.S. economy is not in a recession. I think it's important to keep reminding people that. We still have a very healthy job market despite inflation getting everybody down.
Wrong. Boy, is he wrong. Is he wrong? This is unbelievable, the lying that's going on. Just terrible. Unbelievable. And listen to this lie.
I do see more evidence right now, Becky, that inflation is peaking than I've seen in the entire inflation cycle.
Somebody told a lie one day.
And it's Paulson who told the lie. Let's talk about liars. Let's talk about liars. Who's rotten to the core? Who has no moral sense about the truth? Our president. Right? Now, remember what he's telling us. It's those bad oil companies. It's those bad oil companies. That's good. It made us a lot of money because we shorted those oil companies. We shorted them. And talk about shorting. Listen, next Saturday at noon, and remember, if you can't make it at noon, you get it archived for 2 weeks. We're going to have a special shorting seminar, workshop on shorting online. 3 solid hours of shorting. Beginners, if you know nothing about shorting, you're going to learn about shorting. It's easy, it's fun, especially when you're using our color-coded chart. You can learn about our color-coded chart. Just go to my homepage. Go to philsgang.com. It says right there how the Pro 2 works. And right next to it, it says our gift shop. Click there and you go in and you can sign up for the workshop. It's $95. And as I said, you don't have to worry if you can't make it next Saturday. You can't make it. Don't worry about it. You got it for 2 solid weeks. It's only $95. And you're going to learn how to sell short. Then you don't care about these people who are lying. If the market goes down, we're going to make money. If the market goes up, we're going to make money. It doesn't matter. You're going to get out of that 80% who lose money all the time in the market. 85%, not 80, 85% of people lose money in the market all the time because they don't know when to get out and they don't know how to make money when the market's going down. The biggest and the best aid we have is our Pro 2 color-coded chart that Steve and I designed. We patented it. Go check it out. You'll see. It makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense. It's right on my homepage. Go check it out. It says how the Pro 2 works. But let's get back to our president. Now, he's been blaming the oil companies for higher gasoline prices. Their fault. Their fault. And, of course, Putin, too. But here's what's strange. He's only targeting the oil companies as the bad guys. They're buying their own stocks back, he says. They're increasing their dividends for their wealthiest shareholders. Passing on all that inflation pain to the consumers while these oil companies are enriching themselves and becoming very wealthy. And the asset class is becoming very, very wealthy. And what about the poor folks? They need fair wages. They need low gasoline that's affordable. That's what he's telling us. Well, wait a minute. What about the other 499 S&P companies, S&P 500 companies? What about the 499? What do you think they're doing? Are you nuts? This is crazy. They are passing their cost on to people. Their profits are up 49%. The other 499 companies. Exxon made $8.9 billion in profit last year for 3 months. I mean, this year here, the first 3 months, $8.9 billion. That's nothing compared to Apple. That's nothing. Apple made $81 billion, while Exxon made $8.9 billion. What's the difference? Well, He gets big bucks from Apple. That's right. He gets big bucks for Apple for his campaign. What about the steel companies? Let's talk about Dynamic Steel. Their profits increased 809%. Oh, CVX that you want to throw in jail? Or Exxon? Conoco? You want to throw them all in jail? How about CVX? They're only up 240%. While the steel companies are up 809. So why aren't they going after the bad steel companies? You see, it's not as sexy. They love to take the oil companies and make them the bad guys. Amazon. Why aren't they going after Amazon? Up 330%. How about Caterpillar? Up 1,300%. While Chevron's up 240%. What are you, nuts? Albertson's up 671%. Chevron's up 240%. Home Builders, their profits up 100%. Hershey, 62%. Hershey, chocolate candy bars. Are you nuts? And they bought $200 million back of their own stock to push their stock price up because their stock's not worth anything. Even Nike, up 53% for heaven's sakes. Dr. Pepper, 83%. What a bunch of garbage that is, isn't it? What a bunch of garbage. We have a free market capital system and it works. Leave it alone, Joe. Leave it alone. See, here's the problem. You think, and the genius around you who have PhDs, who have master's degrees, who have doctorates, you all believe the answer to get inflation down is print more money. You sure did that. You sure did that. The COVID bill, the American Family Plan, the American Rescue Plan, and then the what's the other one? The Infrastructure Plan. Thank God that those two congressmen, the Democrat congressmen, Munchin and Sinema. Thank God for them that they stopped the $6 trillion Build Back Better. Can you imagine where we'd be today with that? So what's he talking about? The bad oil companies. How about Carlyle? Carlyle goes in. What a bunch of gangsters they are. Carlyle buys DuPont for $1.3 billion. 21 months later, they changed the name to, I think it's called Axalta, Axalta. Then they brought it public. They sold 22% of the ownership of the company. They went public for $6 billion. They paid for the entire company $1.3 billion. So they sold 22% for $6 billion. That's a 361% gain in 21 months. Not a word about Carlyle. Well, of course not. They can find a lot of money. Look, you need to forget about the politics. You need to forget about these gangsters. You need to know one thing. How do you make money when the market goes down? That's it. And we got to start teaching our kids in school, starting at grade school, not what date did Napoleon fall off his horse and hit his head. No, who cares? Who cares? Let's start teaching these kids about money. Get them to understand money and get them to understand how to invest in it. At the same time, take the bell rings off their nose and their ears and teach them how to answer the phone. And why don't we even teach them how to count change? But at least teach them about money and investing. Because all these geniuses on Wall Street don't know anything about investing and money. They don't. How about New York City? They received the New York State gets $146 billion from the federal government. Us, you and me. New York City gets $101 billion. So what in the hell is going on? The schools in New York City do not have enough funds just to pay for basic supplies for the children in class. They have to share their pencils and pens, and they even have to share their books. Then that $101 billion, give me that money. I'll invest it. And they'll have more supplies than they know what to do with. Now, see, these geniuses just don't understand what money is or how to invest it. Learn how to short it. Go to my site right now. Only 85. We only take 85
Want
people.
more information on
so
this show?
check it out.
Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativegroup.com.
License number A1900020.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know, over the years, I've successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, the advice, and the software that will take your investing to the next level. You know, I have a team comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. And the Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, when to run like hell, even short. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. You don't have to be a seasoned investor to benefit from Phil's Gang and platform. No matter what level investor you are, my strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for the 10-day free trial to see our platform in action. Avoid market pitfalls and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. You want to invest your money and grow your wealth. How do you invest intelligently? Become a Phil's Gang member and receive the training, advice, and software that will take your investing to the next level. Our team is comprised of successful investors, all with proven track records. Phil's Gang software is easy to use, painless to navigate, and tells you exactly when to buy and sell to help maximize profits. Learn about common market mistakes and how to minimize them. Phil's Gang has successfully taught tens of thousands of investors how to navigate the market with confidence. You don't need to be a seasoned investor to benefit from the Phil's Gang platform, no matter what level of investor you are. Phil's Gang strategies for investing are designed to put you on the path to success. Sign up for a 10-day free trial to see our platform in action, avoid market pitfalls, and start winning with Phil's Gang. Learn more at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
What, are you nuts? If the stock market can make you so rich, especially Apple and Microsoft and Google and Amazon and the rest, why are so many Americans poor? If the 401k promises you a retirement, then why is it we are in a retirement crisis? Here's the answer. Because 85% of you get out of the market too late. I fixed that with my color-coded chart, which tells you when to buy, when to sell, and when to get out. That's right, when to run like hell. Check it out. You get a free membership and the free color-coded chart for 10 days. Check it out, philsgang.com.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
The economy is on fire.
These are the same people who are now saying this.
The U.S. economy is not in a recession. I think it's important to keep reminding people that. We still have a very healthy job market despite inflation getting everybody down.
Yeah, these are the same people who kept saying, buy tech stocks, buying a dip, buying a dip, buying a dip. What did I keep saying to you? No, 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 short them, short them. And the NASDAQ went down 30%. NASDAQ, and Apple, we caught 21% on the way down, shorting it. Microsoft, 15%. NVIDIA, 30%. Tesla, 35%. And we'll catch it right on the way back up. That's the beautiful thing about my color-coded chart, which you can find out what you need to know about it. Don't have to pay a thing. Just go to my homepage where it says How Pro 2 Works, right on my homepage. Right next to it is the gift shop. That's where you go, where you're going to get a fantastic 3 hours for $95. 3 hours. Myself and Steve are going to teach you about shorting. I don't care if you're an expert or you're a beginner. You're not going to get stuck again when the market goes down, where you get stuck with them telling you cost average down, or go hide in Coca-Cola, go hide in Clorox. What are you, nuts? That's nuts. And you're going to have fun. 3 straight hours about shorting. How does it work? It's a great investment. And you can join our gang right now, 10 days free, for 10 days. And you get to use the color-coded chart even before you go to the webinar. See how it works. You never have to worry again whether yields are high, whether yields are low, or whether you don't have. I'm telling you, once you know how to make money when the market's going up and the market's going down, it doesn't make any difference to you. But can you imagine if you're stuck, if you invest in the market and you only can do one thing, make money when it goes up? You know what the odds of that, trying to make money going up, that's all you can do? That's insane. That's like taking a $100 bill and tearing it up and throwing it on the street. You only keep one half of it. That's nuts. You can't make money just going up, because we have the other side of the desk on Wall Street. The crooks have another desk. It's the sell desk. And every time you get profits, they sell right into it. Wouldn't it be better that if you're up 22% in Apple like we were, or 32% in Apple, and then we turned around when it went down and we sold it short, so we gained 21% on the way back down? Same thing with Microsoft. We're up about 13% going up, and then when things went bad and the market started to crash, boom, we turned around short it, and now we have a 15% gain. NVIDIA, one of the most popular ones. It's not hard to do. We're going to get you started on the spiders first. That's where you want to be, the spiders first. So you're shorting the whole 500 stocks at one time. It's the ETF. And you're going to have fun at it. So that's next Saturday. Sign up now, because we have it limited, limited to just 85 people. And we have more. We have about 33% of it already gone. Okay, we'll fill it, no problem. But please, take advantage of this. Okay, so one thing I want you to understand, as I said, there's a big difference in money and then investing it. Boy, are they different. And investing it without having the skills when the market goes down to sell it short, instead you cost average down, that's insane. It's insane. And, talking about, doctors are another one. They make a lot of money, don't they? They make a tremendous amount of money, and they deserve every bit of it. But doctors are always in trouble, because even though they make big money, they don't know how to invest. That's why they're always in trouble. All their investments are always in trouble, because they don't know how to invest, because their whole life is studying medicine, Then they go find a broker. Oh, he's going to help them out. Yeah, he's going to go and show them on his computer. He's going to show them on the computer how everything's fine, right? Market only goes up. But he doesn't go back to 1929 to show you for 50 years the market didn't always go up. No, he's not going to show you that. No, he's not going to show you that. We should be teaching our kids right from grade school about money. I think it's a must. And then think about the people who are managing this country. Think about them. First of all, you got Bernanke. He was wrong on the housing market. He said there was no housing crash coming. Yellen was wrong on the housing crash. She said she saw no housing crash coming. They've been wrong about everything. And they got PhDs. They got masters. They got doctorates. And they've been wrong on everything. They're always wrong. How could you not see the housing crash coming? Are you kidding? Just like they said inflation was transitory. So you're relying on these people. You can't rely on them. And you're relying on these planners and money managers. Yes, there's some great ones. I have friends who are great ones. I'm not saying they're all bad. I'm not saying that. But boy, I'm telling you, the one problem with these colleges right now, they go to learn, most of the time, the college professors, I just found out there's 260,000 college professors that are Marxists. In the college, they're Marxists. 200 some odd thousand. I think it was 46,000. That's insane. That's insane. They talk more about. They teach you more about. Look at AOC. She goes to Boston University, comes out, and she's a Marxist. When she went in, she wasn't a Marxist. I don't know her, but I bet she wasn't. And these are the people who are supposed to be managing, supposed to be taking care of the country. Are you kidding? Take care of yourself. I'm not saying don't find a good money manager. Don't find a good I'm not saying that. But you got to have a better understanding. And all I'm telling you is, at least if you understand when the market's going to go down, you can spot it, you can understand it, and you'll understand why. And you'll understand, you'll know before it starts going down that it's going to. This has a high probability. You're going to understand what the yield means so that you're not going to get caught. At least you can take your money and go all cash if you want to. Nothing wrong with that. But again, my preference, why would I stay in all cash when I can sit there and make 21% on Apple, 30% on Nvidia, Tesla 35% shorting, Wells Fargo 21%? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. I mean, you got that cash sitting there dormant, sitting in some, getting quarter of a percent the bank? That's insane. So we have a lot of opportunity. The market is not finished, and yet they're already telling us everything is done now. Everything's over. We're going to go back up. That's what they're going to tell us.
I think the biggest thing now is whether we have recession or not, and I just don't see that. I do see more evidence right now, Becky, that inflation is peaking than.
No. Show me where the inflation's peaking. How can it be peaking when we just started raising rates, you dope? What a dope. They have $8 trillion on their balance sheet, and they're starting to sell off at $90 billion a month. Those treasuries, they got to sell them. And yields are going to go through the roof. We haven't even started. We look how they reacted to the 75 basis point. Yeah, it went up first. I told you that was going to happen. Next morning we wake up, it's down again. Isn't that crazy? I mean, so don't listen to them when they're telling you inflation's peaked. The recession's not going to happen. We're in a recession. The only way you can beat these people is to understand the market. And the easiest way to understand the market is next Saturday for 3 hours. If you can't make it for 3 hours, don't worry about it. It's archived for 2 weeks. You don't have to come. Archived for 2 weeks. $95, that's the best investment you ever made. Invest $95, into yourself. Invest $95 into yourself before you spend another penny on the stock market. How's it feel when your 401k is going down and you get that pit in your stomach? Or if you're just in an individual stock or an ETF and it's going down, you keep calling your broker, what should we do? What should we do? They say cost average down, and you go buy more and it goes down again. What should we do? Oh, cost average more down? Okay. And then call your wife. Hey, you know that stock we had $500 and now it's at $250? My broker said he can buy more of it for us. Aren't we lucky? Yeah, the stock we bought at $500, he said he can get more of it for us. What are you, nuts? Hey, go to my site and take a look over the weekend. Okay, my my Pro 2 cover, my Pro 2 charts right on the home page, okay? And also sign up for the webinar.
Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.